Malaysia, everybody. Come on, Team Malaysia.
Where am I?
Wondering,
Who there?
I'm your friend, Alice. Don't you forget your old friend?
Rabbit?
Yes.
My head. What's happening? Something wrong.
Something wrong?
Don't struggle, Alice. Let the new Wonderland emerge.
Pollutions. Corruptions is killing me. Wonderland is destroyed.
Forget
My
it,
eyes.
Alice. Block the dream. Wake at the sound. Wake up, Alice.
My head.
There, Alice. Better now, aren't we?
Dr. Bumpy.
The past must be paid for. Now, before our next session, take a rest.
Who against? What? It's a mirrors? But something different. Hi, Alice. Alice, be careful of Dr. Bumpy. He's trying to corrupt us. How can you say like that? He's trying to help us to forget the fires. Fires? What's fires? You forgot? The fire took our parents and sister. Listen, my parents die? Yes, Alice. Dr. Bumpy is the murderer. No, he wasn't. The fire began in the library when I accidentally knocked down a lamp. The blaze traps our parents and sister upstairs. We are the murderers. That's not true. Dr. Head corrupted our memory. He started fires. Dr. Bumpy is planning to kill us all. Dr. Bumpy? How can? My hair exploded. There's a strange hammer in my chest. My memories make me vomit. Now, I remember I saw him, a pretty undergraduate, Dr. Bumpy.
It's you, Alice.
I saw you that night. It's you. You are the killer.
What are you talking about?
You twist my memory and cover your crime. Make me as a cold-blooded killer. I saw relief from my pain, and you turn turn me away from the truth.
You are almost there, almost free for what we fear. You could have been cured. You could have forgotten.
Abandon the memory of my family?
They are dead, and you should be too.
I will see you charged, in prison, and then you will hang.
Indeed, a historical woman, former lunatic. My God, Alice, who will believe you?
You! Monster creature. Such evil will be punished.
By whom? By what? Your madness will be punished. Now, leave.